Children, welcome to Bhavya's Learning Planet. In this video, we are going to learn national symbols of India. I will share with you some rare information about national symbols of India. So let's begin. So first is National Flag of India. Tiranga was adopted in the year 1947 on July 22nd. It has three colors: saffron, white and green, with the Ashoka Chakra at its center. Also known as tricolor, this flag was designed by Pingali Venkaiah. Let's move to the next. Next is National Anthem of India. National Anthem of India composed by Rabindranath Tagore. It was adopted as the national anthem on 24th January 1950. Jan Gan Man was adopted since the Bengali song Vande Mataram received resistance from the non-Hindu segments of India. गण मन अधिनायक जय हे भारत भाग्य विधाता पंजाब सिंध गुजरात मराठा द्राविड़ उत्कल बंगा. It is our national anthem. It is so melodious. Next is National Sports of India. Our national sport is hockey. When it was declared the national sport, it was very popular. During 1928 to 1956, India won 6 consecutive gold medals in the Olympics. At that time, India had played 24 hockey games and was undefeated in each one of them. Children, identify this player. He is Major Dhyan Chand, a renowned hockey player. Next symbol is National Bird of India. National Bird of India is a peacock. Peacock declared as the national bird in 1960. It's also known as the Indian peafowl. It was considered as the national bird in the first place because of its abundance, and people are also familiar with it. It is graceful and elegant. Dancing peacock. It's so beautiful, isn't it? Next symbol is National Animal of India. National animal of India is Royal Bengal tiger. It was declared as the national animal in April 1973 with the initiation of Project Tiger to protect tigers. Previously, lion was the national animal of India. Tigers display the wildlife wealth of India. Let's move to the next. Next symbol is National Flower of India. It is lotus. Lotus, the national flower of India, is also known as the flower of goddess Lakshmi, the Hindu goddess of wealth, which signifies wealth, prosperity and fertility. It also signifies purity, good faith and achievement, because even if it grows amidst the mud, it remains untouched by it. Next is National Fruit of India. Oh, mangoes. Mangoes have been cultivated since the beginning of the age. They are truly native to the Indian continent. Akbar, the great Mughal emperor, had planted about 1 lakh mango trees in Darbhanga. Oh, it's so yummy and delicious. Next is National Song of India. It is Vande Mataram. It is composed in Sanskrit by Bankim Chandra Chattopadhyay, inspired many freedom fighters in India. However, since it contained Ma Durga in it, it was rejected by non-Hindu communities. It was not adopted as the national anthem but as the national song. Vande Mataram. Next symbol is National Tree of India. It is Banyan. In Hindi, Bargad. It is also known as Kalpavriksha, which means wish fulfilling tree. The Indian banyan tree represents eternal life due to its enormous branches. A country's foundation has to be deep rooted like the roots of the banyan tree. Different birds and animals take shelter in this tree, also signifying Indians as different caste or religion coming together to seek shelter as a community in our nation. Children, this is banyan tree. Let's move to the next. It is national emblem of India. Lion capital of Ashoka at Sarnath, which is near Varanasi in Uttar Pradesh, has 4 Asiatic lions standing back to back in a circular abacus. It stands as a fully bloomed inverted lotus form. The 4 Asiatic lions face at 4 different directions: north, south, east, west. The national motto is Satyamev Jayate, whose English translation is Truth Alone Triumphs. Now, children, you can see national emblem of India in this picture. Satyamev Jayate is written below in it. Next is National River of India. The national river of India is Ganga. The greatest river flowing in the Indian subcontinent is the most sacred river according to the Hindus. Famous Indian cities that are situated on the Ganga river are Haridwar, Varanasi and Allahabad. Allahabad is now known as Prayagraj. Many Hindu rituals are performed with the help of this river. See the beauty of this river. Next national symbol is national currency of India. The Indian rupee was named after the silver coin called rupiah. It was first issued by Sultan Sher Shah Suri in the 16th century and was later used by the Mughal Empire. Next symbol is National Calendar of India. The national calendar is based on the Shak era with Chaitra month as its first month. It comprises 365 days. It was adopted from 22nd March 1957. The Gregorian calendar was also considered for official purposes. Symbol is National Aquatic Animal of India. The river dolphin has become an endangered species. Hence, to save them from extinction, the government declared them as the national aquatic animal. They are said to survive only in the Ganges because of its pure and fresh water. Next is National Reptile of India. This is King Cobra. The King Cobra is recognized as a symbol of philosophy, culture and tradition. The snake is considered as Lord Shiva's ornament as it is seen wrapped around his neck. It is considered as energy and speech. It is also considered as a semi-god. Oh, look dangerous. Next is national vegetable of India. Although pumpkin has originated in North America, it is considered as our national vegetable. It provides us with different vitamins in our body. Oh, look nice. National Heritage Animal of India. The Indian government declared the Indian elephant as the heritage animal to bring more concentration towards preserving them. In India, a lot of elephant reserves are there. Next and the last is Oath of Allegiance. The national pledge reminds Indian citizens to be loyal to their country. This is our national pledge. India is my country. All Indians are my brothers and sisters. I love my country and I am proud of its rich and varied heritage. I shall always strive to be worthy of it, and so on. Jai Hind. So children, I think you enjoyed this video and learnt more about national symbols. Thank you for watching and please subscribe my channel.